In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to settle up in Splitwise. If you use Splitwise to track shared expenses with friends, family, or roommates, knowing how to properly settle up is essential. It's the final step that makes sure everyone actually gets paid back and that your balances are accurate. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process on the Splitwise website, so you'll know exactly what to do the next time you're ready to clear your debts. First, open your web browser and go to the Splitwise dashboard. If you're not already logged in, sign into your account and you'll land on the main dashboard page. This page shows an overview of who you owe, who owes you, and any groups or friends you're currently sharing expenses with. Take a moment to glance at the total so you have an idea of what you're about to settle. Next, look for the Settle Up button on the dashboard. This is usually easy to spot as it's designed to quickly take you into the payment flow. Go ahead and click on Settle Up. This tells Splitwise that you're ready to record a payment and adjust the balances between you and the other person or group. After you click Settle Up, Splitwise will show you options for how you want to settle. Depending on your account and region, you might see choices like recording a cash payment, marking a bank transfer, or linking to an external payment method. Remember, even if you actually pay someone outside of Splitwise, you still need to record it here, so your balances become correct. Choose the appropriate option that matches how you're settling in real life. Then enter the amount you're paying. Make sure the amount matches what Splitwise says you owe, or the specific amount you agreed to pay back. It's a good idea to double check the number before moving on, so you don't accidentally underpay or overpay. You may also see a description or notes field. While it's optional, adding a short note like rent for November or reimbursement for groceries can be helpful for future reference, especially if you share expenses with the same people regularly. Once everything looks good, click on Save. This action records the payment in Splitwise and updates your balances. You should now see that the amount you owed has decreased or gone to zero, depending on how much you settled. And that's it. You've successfully settled up in Splitwise and kept your shared expenses clean and organized.